Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I think all of you fine now. Good. In which class you are studying? You are studying in fifth standard. You are in last year you are in fourth standard. No, in this year you promoted from fourth standard to fifth standard. So how many subjects you studied in fourth standard? There are 6 subjects, no? Kannada, Hindi, English, Maths, Science and Social. Understood? In this year also you study 6 subjects. Today I going to teach you Social Science. First lesson, knowing about our planet. What is the name of the lesson? Knowing about our planet. Before I start the lesson, I ask some simple questions asked for you. First, where did human beings live? Where did rivers, oceans flow? Where is mountains, valleys, plains and plateaus? Where we found air, water, resource, etc. So, I think all of you know these answers for all these questions. You don't know? Okay, I will give some clue. That is, only one word is answer for all these questions. That is Earth. You know Earth. What is Earth? Earth is a only one planet that has living things. We are living on the Earth. No? Where we living? We living on Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun. How many planets in our solar system? There are 8 planets. You know which are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Mars, Uranus, Neptune. How many planets? And Earth. How many planets in our solar system? 8 planets. So, Earth is, when compared to other planets, Earth is very different planet. It is a very unique planet because Earth is the home for all forms of life like plants, animals and human beings because of its suitable distance from the Sun, the range of temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle, etc. Our Earth is called many names. Living planet, unique planet, watery planet and blue planet. Understood? Okay. What do you learn in this lesson? The important points are: what is Earth? What are the names of the Earth? What is continent? What is ocean? What is the shape of the Earth? What is a globe? What are latitudes and longitudes? What is hemisphere, poles, etc. Understood? Today I briefly explain all these points. Understood? Okay. Let us start the lesson. All of you look at the page. I read the lesson, you follow me. Earth is the only planet we know of in our solar system that humans can live on. No other planet has oceans, other life forms, the enough oxygen to comfortable breathe. Because we have so much water, Earth is called the blue planet. From space, the oceans combined with the atmosphere makes the planets look blue. Understood what you learn in this first paragraph? In this paragraph, Earth as a planet, it is a special planet when compared to the other planets in our solar system because Earth has only one planet that has living things. Earth has only one planet that has water, oxygen. So, water, oxygen is very important for all living things. They are basic needs for human beings. Without water, without oxygen, the living things are not live. So, they are very important things. So, because so much of water in Earth, so Earth is called blue planet. When you from space you see the Earth, the oceans combined with atmosphere, they look like blue. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಅರ್ಥನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀರಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ ನೀರೇನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನೀರು ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ವ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್. Next, about 71% of the earth is covered with water. Earth is the only planet where water can exist in liquid form on the surface. Even though we have water coming out of our oceans, only 1% of it is drinkable. Most of it is frozen or salty. Earth is the 5th largest planet and 3rd planet from the sun, with only Mercury and Venus being closer. Understood? What you learn in this paragraph? On Earth, there is a 71% of water. 71% of water is covered with water. That is the special feature of Earth. It has only one planet where water exists on surface of Earth. How much of water coming out? Enough of water on oceans. Only 1% of water is drinkable. So, most of water on earth is frozen or salty. Salty means uppu. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? What do you learn? What do you understand? So, ಅರ್ತ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್. ಇದು 71% ಏನಿದೆ? ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀರಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಓಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಒಂದೇ 1% ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರೋದು. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಐಸ್ ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 1% ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡ್ರಿಂಕೆಬಲ್. ಅರ್ತು ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 5th ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು 3rd ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸನ್, ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಂದ 3ನೇ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ? ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೀನಸ್. ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೀನಸ್. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ವೀನಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? I think all of you understand about the lesson. So next I continue continents. What do you learn? Next point, the continents. There are 7 continents of the world. These continents only cover 1/3 of area of the world. Rest of 2/3 part of this beautiful planet is covered with water. These continents are arranged according to their areas. First, what is continent? First you learn what is continent. Continent means large masses, the large land masses on earth is called as continents. Understood? Oceans means large masses of water on the earth is called oceans. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಓಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 7 continents on earth. How many continents on earth? 7. Which are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. How many continents are there? 7. There is decreasing order is there. Which is the largest continent? Asia. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. Understood? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia are the 7 continents on earth. Next, the oceans. How many oceans on earth? There are 5 oceans. In decreasing order of the size: Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Last one is Arctic Ocean. How many oceans on earth? 5. Which is the largest ocean? Pacific. Smallest? Arctic Ocean. Understood? So these are the important deviations on earth. Important divisions of earth. Next you learn about shape of the earth. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಓದ್ವಿ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅರ್ತ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ಅವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವುದು? ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅರ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಸ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀರಿರೋದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 5 ಓಷನ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಓಷನ್ಸ್ ಭೂಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ? 5. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್, ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಓಷನ್, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. I think all of you understand these points. Next I will continue shape of the earth. In the beginning, in ancient period, it was believed that earth was flat. People thought that if traveled too far to the edges, they would fall off this flat surface. This image of the earth is flat was changed by explorers like Magellan, astronomers like Copernicus. Today we know for certain that earth is spherical. In ancient times, the people believed that earth was flat. ಅರ್ತ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು? ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊ. ನಾವು ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ we fall from that flat surface. ಆದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಾಸ್ this image of the earth flat was change ಆಯಿತು. ಏನು? ಮೆಗಲನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಪರ್ನಿಕಸ್ ದೇ prove that earth was not flat, it is a spherical in shape. Understood? What is the shape of the earth? Spherical. Understood? I think all of you understand the lesson. Next I continue the lesson. Next, what is a globe? Look at the picture. It is a artificial earth. The model of the earth. The model of the earth is called globe. The visualizing the earth as spherical becomes very easy with the help of globe. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಭೂಮಿ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮಾಡೆಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅರ್ತ್. ಸೊ and also you show on globe ocean, seas, continents on earth. Understood? But it is in smaller scale. The half of the globe at a time, you can see only half of the globe one time. However, you can turn the globe around the sea of the other half. ನಾವು ಈ ಗ್ಲೋಬನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟರ್ನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ ತಿರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲನ್ನು, ಅರ್ತ್ ಮಾಡೆಲನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ the geography, it can turn about line passing through it. This is called the axis. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಇದನ್ನು ಲೈನನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ರೋಟೇಟ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ರೋಟೇಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಭೂಮಿ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸನ್ನು ರೋಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. rotation. The axis rotation of the globe made the same of the earth. ಇದು ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಭೂಮಿನೂ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ. The earth has 2 points. The 2 end points of the earth, the axis of the rotation is called poles. Having poles, the points of the poles. The end of that poles are called poles. The north side is called north pole, south point is called south pole. How many poles there are? The end of the earth is called 2 poles. There are 2 poles, one on north side, another one on south side. The halfway between the 2 poles is a imaginary line, is equator. On globe, there is a middle of the globe, there is a one line passing, that is imaginary line. It is called equator. What do you call the middle of the imaginary line on globe? It is called equator. The equator divide the earth into 2 parts. That is, in northern side is called northern hemisphere, southern side is called southern hemisphere. Hemi means half. The equator divide the earth into 2 parts. Understood? The middle line is called equator. The upper part of the equator is called northern hemisphere. Below part is called southern hemisphere. Understood? So today I will stop this lesson. Next class I continue. Understood? So finally I summarize this lesson. What do you learn in this lesson? You recall. Understood? In this lesson, what is earth? How many planets in our solar system? What is continent? How many continents are there? What are oceans? How many oceans are there? Which is the Largest continent? Which is the smallest continent? What is the shape of the earth? What is globe? What is poles? What are poles? What is North Pole? South Pole? What is equator? What is equator? It is an imaginary line between the half of the earth. What is southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere? Understood? I think all of you understand the lesson. So today I stop this lesson. Next class I will continue. Understood? Till now we meet in the next class. Till then, take care, be safe, stay home. Understood? Thank you.